Welcome, children. Today we're going to learn about one of Allah's beautiful names. Allah has many special names that help us understand how amazing and wonderful He is. One of Allah's special names is Al-Wahhab. Let's look at how it's written in Arabic and learn what this beautiful name means. Al-Wahhab means the giver of gifts. Allah loves to give us gifts, and He gives us so many wonderful things without asking for anything in return. Look at all the amazing gifts Allah has given us in nature: the warm sunshine that helps plants grow, the fresh air we breathe, the beautiful trees and flowers, and all the amazing animals. Allah Al-Wahhab has given us loving families and good friends. He gave us parents who take care of us, siblings to play with, and friends who make us smile. Let's hear about little Sarah, who was feeling sad one day. But Allah Al-Wahhab surprised her with many gifts. The rain stopped and a beautiful rainbow appeared. Her friend came to play, and her mother made her favorite meal. When Allah gives us so many gifts, we should remember to thank Him. We can say Alhamdulillah, praise be to Allah, be kind to others, and use His gifts in good ways. Remember, children, Allah Al-Wahhab loves us very much and His gifts never end. He is always giving us wonderful things because He is the most generous giver.